Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm Xian Girl. Today, I just pick up one Nike Air Jordan 1 fragment Travis Scott sneakers. Let me show you guys my shoes, the details. This one pair of shoes is come with the pink dust bag. It's the tissue papers. It's pink colors. You can see fragment design and the canters. Jack canters, yes, this is the box, and it also has the plastic one, the box material box. Okay, let me show you guys the sticker. The sticker is the Air Jordan 1 Low OG SP DM 7866140. It's the blue black colorways. It's S size. Okay. Firstly, let me show you guys the shoes. This one shoes is the come with actual shoelaces. It's the blue colors and the pink colors, black colors. So it's come with the it's the clearly close to the. You can see it's the milk, it's beige colors, the Nike swoosh, yeah. And the shoe, the mesh material, the Nike Air shoe tom, is fragment design. The white, it's the stitching on it, and the toe box looking. Another side has one. The numbers is the some words you can see. Yeah. So it's the yellow colorways, the shoelaces. Check the inside looking. Inside is the S size and the inside stickers you can see. So, and the back has the Jack canters and the Travis Scott, the logo. Yeah. So, and let me show you guys the inside. Inside looking. Okay, just pick up another one and check more details about it. You can see it's Nike Air, and the soles cleaning the leather, white leather, black leather. Now, and the Air Jordan logo on the back. Fragment logo. Right one has one fragment logo on the shoe's back. Okay, so it's the cool one. So I just do a short videos introduction. This one pair of sneakers. Thanks you guys watching my videos on YouTube. So if you guys like my video, you can follow my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Also, you can comment down below if you guys want to order this one pair of sneakers. It's the almost in stock. US 7 size until US 13 size. So which one size do you wearing? You just comment down below and contact me. I will get back to you guys. So see you next time. Bye.